Okay, so another operation here. This is the top face all set up. Just come into a touch. There we go. Set 0. Let's just knock her off. Lock my carriage. Ooh. Can't get the spanner in there without knocking the camera. Half a mil cut to get under the skin. This is a sawn edge, so the skin shouldn't be too bad. Make sure we're not fouling. Happy days. Switch on. Let's say 450 RPM. And let's machine that face. Okay, that's that done. Quick look, make sure it's cleaned up. It has. Not too happy with the finish because that was quite harsh. We'll take another 0.1, speed it up a bit. I'm doing like 570, 580, something like that now. And just a nice, gentle, slow pass across the face. Now I'll give me a better finish. And a smoother surface, and that will be all the 6 sides of the tube, 6 sides done. Or the block is up a bit then, shall we say. Machining on the bottom of the block is done, and then the next step is going to be doing the machining on the top of the block. So that will be the counterboards and what have you. So that will be the next job. And there we are. Bring the tool back out across that pass. And there we are. I do apologise. I lost a little bit of footage. Dreaded camera battery went flat. Wasn't looking at it, was busy getting on with the job as it were, and probably lost about 5 minutes of footage. Anyway, I've done a little sketch of the internals of the block. This 18 on this end and the small hole here, the 9.9, are what you've already seen. What I'm doing now is working on the top of the block, and I'm boring out a 30mm diameter hole with a boring bar. I pre-drilled it with a 16mm drill, and I'm going to do that to a depth of 28.3mm. So let's carry on with it then. pouring to full depth at the moment. I'm only going to about 26.5 mil. And I'm going to finish up at 28.3 mil deep. And I'm looking for a finished diameter of about 30 millimeters. So I've set my carriage stock up. And I'm basically coming in on feed. Nearly there. And just keep going in until I hit my carriage stock. And I'm going into 26.7 mil. Okay, let's have a quick check of the diameter. I'm at 29.8. So I need to take about 0.1 millimeters aside. I'm going to take that in a couple of scratches. Let's go 0.05, okay. Speed things up just a touch. And here we go. Another measure. Finishing is quite good. We'll leave that speed and feed rate. I think that's absolutely fine. $29.95. My block is cold, so if I go another 0.02, something like that, on my readout, and put through a finishing cut for the diameter. I'll zero my readout and I'll know where I am when I come to face the bottom of the hole. That should be the 30mm diameter done now. I'll just have a final measurement. It's saying 29.97, 29.98, something like that. It's not a critical dimension because the part that runs in this hole is going to be about 0.1 millimeter clearance, and I will make it to suit this bore. So the part I put in is going to be about 29.9, and this is 29.97, so that should be absolutely fine. Oh, just kick the camera, right? Why don't you? Here we go. That's 28.1. 28.2. And 28.3. Okay, so there we have it. 30mm diameter, 28.3mm deep and faced on the bottom. Okay, so the final little job on the bore of this block is to put a nice little 45-degree chamfer on the top of that 30mm hole. So I've set my compound slide at 45 degrees, come in somewhere near and take a couple of passes using the compound slide and the cross slide to feed on my cut. That should do it. I'll give you a close up of that.